Look at how so pretty this cactus flower is. Oh, that is so cool. That's the back side of it. That is so cool. These are a very pretty purple. It's getting dark. I was saying I was going to show y'all that anyway. But that's a bean type. And it's from these that are slowly growing. I don't know if you can hear the owl, but that's near my twin flame sunflowers. Yeah, the owl's somewhere out there. If the doggy wasn't making that noise. There's one of the flowers. It's on the same type of one, but on the other side. And they're like growing them. And then that's the pumpkin flowers. Oh my gosh, y'all. I literally just saw 3 lightning bugs. I hope I see them again, though. Pull it back. They were like so bright, but I don't know if it showed or not. Because I'm looking in the woods trying to see if I can see them again. But that was one. I just thought, oh, it is showing. Yay! I don't know where the other ones went, though. He's still... He's like staying in the same area. Oh. He went somewhere this way. Come on, back up. Oh. Come by me. Oh, come on. Where are they at? Well, that was so cool. And then the bat decided to fly over me. I was like, really? So, yeah. My Rurus and my chickie. Beautiful evening, but I don't know where the lightning bugs went. They were by me. So I was going to film a little more. Oh well. And lightning bugs also mean twin flames as well. So it's still magical, and it's still been a twin flame day. Even though I'm not syncing well with nature. I don't know. It's just for today, I'm sure, because I don't experience this. Oh, I heard one. The bat. Hopefully you heard it. There's somewhere, I don't see them. I have the light on me. I don't know if it'll show it or not, but all day it has been like the trees have been raining on me. Yeah, you can see it. And I don't know how it's doing that. See? I don't know. It's not like I watered it or anything, but it just keeps doing that. So I want to look up the metaphysical meaning of that. It's cool. I'm so glad I'm able to show y'all. Huh? But yeah. So I don't know if it's the that apple tree or that tree, but all day it's been raining on me from the tree. Did I just see a lightning bug? I know I did. It was low. Oh, it is. Lightning bug. Cool. Crickets. Frogs. And nature. Beautiful evening. Sounds like they're going off at the same time. My little frog friend decided to start up again. And I'm hoping he will again in a minute. My twin flame sunflower. Oh, it's going to be hard with all the work out there. These flowers are so pretty. That's what it looks like during the day. Because I was showing it at nighttime. It's so pretty. And that's the one that's by my twin flame sunflowers. Those are beans, is what it is, the purple flower one. My little friends are saying they're hungry. Come on, baby, I'm not gonna hurt you. You're so close to your destination. It's right there. Oh, he's still debating. He or she. Getting a little closer. Still gonna try. No kitty here today. On the table so far. Oh, oh. Where'd he go? Oh wow, you got up near me. I didn't know you were gonna go that far. Oh, like a cute. What's that sound, baby? Where are you going? Huh? Where are you going? What? What is it, baby? Huh? What you need? It is making that cute sound. What? What is it, baby? It's hard to tell. I got the sun in my eyes. I don't know. You're so silly. Okay, I guess now he's gonna eat by me. And just keep an eye on me. What? I know. You're so pretty. Very pretty features. I'll see if it pulls up the video, but it's just going to show like up close of the fur. But I'll see if I can get the video at a time. I'm not sure what this little guy is. Oh. It's almost like a frog looking thing or something, but it's a bug. It's like an insect, I don't know. That is so trippy. He hops like a frog too. That insect thing. And the birdies are coming in to eat. Look at the perfect little apple heart shape leaf. It's like perfect. And the bats. They're somewhere. I hear them. But I don't see them right now. But they're above me. Well, there's one way over there. But you can't see on the camera. It's so hard to get them picked up. But it should be heard. There's a satyr bugger. Sadie buggers. Oh. What are y'all doing? Y'all gonna love on each other? Oh. They're both slowly coming down. Oh. Well, she came down first. And the mill's still up there. She's getting more comfortable around me too. And the mill. Let's hope he don't poop this time, because he's closer to being over my head. See the clouds moving real fast too. And she's still eating. Yeah, my cat's right there. She is getting closer. Oh. But she decided to go in the woods this time. That might be another one, actually. Maybe, because it does look a little different, I think. I'm trying to get it on the 20. This one seems smaller than the other one. So pretty. I'm hoping I can capture the frog again. She's trying to figure out where it's at, because she heard it too. It's somewhere over there. Mosquitoes are coming out. Can't wait to see some lightning bugs tonight too. That's funny. She's like, I'm gonna get it. The little light thing I had found. Oh, there's some of it over there. She's like, the froggy is somewhere and I am going to find it. She's at the other one now because she was over there on that side. She's trying to figure how she's going to find it. I don't think you can climb up there. No, you want to though. Well, she just climbed up there. She's like, I am going to get to the frog this way. That's so funny. I should have filmed it when she was climbing up it. It was funny. It was cute though. She really is determined though. That is so cute. I was just saying no lightning bugs and then one literally flew right over me. Which is right there. Oh, where'd he go? Really? That's fine.